Welcome back to my channel. Google has released Gemma, an open-source AI model optimized for laptops and limited resources. Gemma can be used for chatbots, content generation, and more, making it a dream tool for SEOs. It comes in two versions, 2 billion and 7 billion parameters, indicating its complexity and capability. The goal is to make state-of-the-art AI accessible and safe for everyone. Google's official announcement highlights model weights, a responsible generative AI toolkit, and easy deployment options. According to Ani Hanan, Gemma's extensive vocabulary and massive embedding weights enhance its versatility and efficiency. Gemma is designed to be safe and responsible, with filtered training data and reinforcement learning from human feedback. Gemma is a game changer, democratizing access to powerful AI in a safe and responsible way. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel.